video I will show you how to make the one hand trick, and it's easier. We're going to settings, we write one, and right away it will show one hand mode. We press there and then we activate it. Let's go right away once it's activated. So in the bottom edge we just swipe down, and as you can see, screen just got like split. This can be used in other apps. Let's choose now the browser. I'm using Brave. So again, each button, swipe down, and as you can see, it's easier to reach the browser bar tab, and it's a good way to go when you are having just one hand. Let's go again, and sometimes we have problem by the keyboard, so we are able to make the keyboard smaller so it's easier to reach all the letters. And as you can see, we can go for left, right side, and it will be easier. It's a good way to go for one hand, to be honest. This is another function that we go to the edge. It can be left or right side, and we press and swipe up, and the icons will get smaller, so we can combine both. So let's try again. Swipe up and then we open, see? And I think that's it. I hope you enjoy it, and let me know if you like it.